67 Imperial. Drove it to a show about 2 weeks ago. Did well overall. It was having some weird stalling, flooding, surging on uphills, especially on long runs. But you can see in here, look at how damp, with fuel residue this looks. I want to check the needle and seat, make sure they're not sticking. I'm gonna pull these off, check everything, because if they're dirty and they stick, it'll flood over and it'll make it stall as well. Or if it's pulling over too much fuel. Good the other day when I drove it. So anyway, I'm gonna get this apart. Note the fuel staining. It does have the good insulator on it too. There's a lot of staining. Check it out. All right. Check the needle and seat assemblies. They were okay. They're a little gummy, but nothing that would make it run like that. Just really concerned with all the staining. So this thing isn't leaking. I'm gonna fire it up, give it a cold start, and see what happens. I'm gonna get her up temp, adjust the idle, and we'll go from there. All right, so I gave her 2 pumps, hit the key, she fired right up. I'm gonna let her get up to temp. We're gonna see what happens here. All right, so I've richened the fuel mixture at idle, which has helped tremendously. Watch. Intake leak. Intake leak.